Energy, unboxing and overview. Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Press the subscribe button and press the notification bell icon to get notified whenever there is a new video on the channel. Currently, this is the only phone which is below 10,000 rupees, which sports a Snapdragon 626 processor. Let us unbox the device. This phone is manufactured by Chinese manufacturer and it is crafted for Amazon. Let me cut the tape over here. And this phone sports Snapdragon 626, which is 10% faster than the predecessor Snapdragon 625, which can be seen in Xiaomi Mi A1, Lenovo P2, Moto G5 S Plus, which are priced around 15,000. But this is the only device which is priced around sub 10,000 rupees category, and it has 4GB RAM with Snapdragon 626 processor. Let me cut this cover off. Here we go. Here is the box and there's a seal. Okay, here we go. First of all, in the front there is a device itself. Let me keep it aside for a minute. There is some paperwork, which is a manual which prescribes and tell the settings of the phone. And there is a power brick which reads 5 volt and 2 ampere, and here is a micro USB cable. Apart from that, there is a SIM ejector tool, and that's it in the box. There is no earphone whatsoever. Coming to the phone, it is made up of metal back, but top and bottom are plastic. So I have booted up the phone to save some time. The display looks good and phone comes with stock Android. Let us see the version of the Android. It comes with Android 7.1 out of the box. And this device can be updated to Android Oreo. The release will be rolled out through OTA update. So let me take a quick snap and check the camera quality. At rear, it has 13+13 dual camera setup. One is RGB sensor and another is a monochrome sensor. Up front, it has a 16 megapixel camera with LED flash support. So let me take a quick picture. It has a default Snapdragon camera app. So let me take a picture now. The picture quality is quite good. The colors, saturation, everything is correct. Here are quick samples from the phone. And that's it for now, guys. Subscribe to the channel for more technical and motoring information.